Are you stuck trying to export your CapCut video because it's asking for the Pro version? Don't worry, today I'll show you a simple 100% working trick to export your video with all Pro effects for free. Watch closely and let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application on your computer. Next, select the Create Project option. Now import your video file into CapCut. Now I'll show you how to apply a Pro effect to this. Now let's export this video. As you can see, we can't export this because we don't have the Pro version. Now follow these steps to export the video anyway. Now press Ctrl+A to select all your clips, effects, and audio tracks on the timeline. Then right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Now right-click one more time and click on Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now give it a moment to complete the pre-processing stage. Alright, my video clip has finished pre-processing. Next, make sure to close the CapCut application. This is absolutely necessary. Now hit Windows+R on your keyboard, type in App Data in the Run box, and press OK. Now look for the local folder and double-click to enter. From here, navigate to the CapCut folder. Inside, find the User Data folder, then go to Projects, and then open the com.lvadata.draft folder. Then open CapCut again. Notice the number at the top of the CapCut interface. Find the folder with the same number and open it. From there, navigate to Resources and then into the Combination folder. Now, drag and drop this video into your CapCut project. Once that's done, go ahead and delete the previous video from the timeline. You'll notice that we now have the exact same video we were editing before. As you can see, you can now export your project smoothly. The prompt to upgrade to the Pro version is gone. Now you can enjoy Pro features for free. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.